Connect more with Cable Matters products. Expand VR with the Cable Matters active USB-A to USB-C cable. Connect the cable to your PC and a headset like the Oculus Quest. Expand your VR play space with this long yet reliable cable. The cable supports speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Also available as a USB-C to USB-C cable. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, affordable, and easy to use. Some devices may need external power. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.